A small puppy was trapped in a muddy ditch. It struggled for hours, unable to escape. A man passing by heard its cries and rushed to help. He carefully pulled the puppy out and cleaned it. That puppy became his most loyal friend. A baby bird fell from its nest during a storm. It lay on the ground, too weak to move. A boy found it and placed it back safely. He fed it every day until it recovered. One day, the bird flew away, but came back to visit him. A little rabbit was caught in a wire fence. It struggled and hurt itself badly. A woman noticed and carefully freed it. She treated its wounds and cared for it. The rabbit stayed in her garden, trusting her forever. An old dog was abandoned on the street. It had no strength left and lay quietly. A kind man sat beside it and gave it food. Day by day, the dog slowly recovered. In the end, it found a loving home again.